Today I'm turning leftover cheese, or any cheese you love, into two super simple Christmas party nibbles. We've got Brie and cranberry Filo Parcels and Stilton pear and walnut Filo Parcels. They're quick, they're easy, they look impressive, and the best part, it only requires a handful of ingredients. I hope you're all well. I'm Shane. Welcome back to It's Cooking Good. So I don't know about you guys, but in this house, we eat quite a lot of cheese over the festive period, but inevitably we always have loads of it left. It doesn't matter how much we eat, there is always bits of cheese knocking around. And this is a great little recipe to put that cheese to good use and create something really, really delicious. Today I'm using a little bit of leftover Stilton and some Brie, but use whatever cheese you like. Make this your own. You're gonna need some Filo pastry, and here I've got a few other little bits and bobs that we're gonna use to jazz these up just a little bit more. So let's get started. Get some of your sheets of Filo onto a board, and I use a pizza cutter. I just find it easier, and I wanna cut this into squares. So 4 squares, or say 4 squares. I've got several sheets here. Brush each sheet with some melted butter. Then basically place one sheet on top of the other on the diagonal like that. Add in some of your Brie. We're going to do the Brie and cranberry first. Add as much or as little as you want in there. I like quite a lot in mine, but depending on how big you want these. And then a dollop of your cranberry sauce on the top. Bring in the corners. Like so, and just pinch it at the top. And you end up with lovely little parcels. And then for your Stilton one, same deal again. Lay your Filo one sheet on top of the other. Place some of your Stilton in the middle. Again, add as much or as little as you like, depending on your taste. To that, I'm adding some tinned pears. Now these are the Del Monte ones, and these are on offer at the moment in Tesco's. They're only £1 a tin. You get loads in there, and I love tinned pears. They're nice and sweet and go perfectly with that Stilton. And then top each one off with a walnut. Again, same thing. Bring in the edges. Very delicate, this stuff, so just be careful with it. Handle it with care. Pinch in at the top, and there we have a Stilton walnut and pear Filo parcel. So out of those 2 small bits of cheese, I've ended up with 12 Filo parcels. I've got 6 of the Brie and cranberry and 6 of the Stilton pear and walnut. They look great. We just need to now brush them with a little bit more of the butter, just around and about, and you want to preheat your oven to 180°C fan. And these are going to go into the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. What you're really looking for is these to be nice and golden, and obviously the cheese to be oozing, nicely melted and ready for us to give them a try. So these are now out of the oven. I actually left them in for 12 minutes. I just wanted them just that touch crispier than they were. They look amazing. So let's give each one a go and see how they've come out. I've actually got one here which I slightly cut open. Hopefully you can see the inside there. Lovely, that cheese is all nicely melted. And then here I've cut open one of the walnut, pear and Stilton ones. Got that lovely filling inside. So let's start with our camembert and cranberry first. I've let them cool down a little bit. And I know it doesn't look like a lot of filling in these, but trust me, a little goes a long way with these. Obviously, they're both quite strong cheeses. The Stilton more so, but the flavours are going to work really well. Camembert and cranberry, we know, work really, really well together. But with the crispiness of that Filo pastry, just takes it up to another level. Let's try the Stilton, pear and walnut. I love a bit of Stilton. Everyone has a bit of Stilton at Christmas, don't they? This is a great user-upper, but I think this is going to be a little bit nicer. Oh. Sorry, I'm being a pig. That is a great little combo. It's like a mini cheese board inside Filo pastry. The sweetness of those pears is just right for that Stilton. And what I like is you're getting a nice crunch, one from the Filo, but also from that walnut. Oh, they are a little bit special. Guys, really simple one for you today. I personally think it's just a great way to use up bits and bobs of cheese that you got left over. This would make a great little platter to put out on Christmas Eve. Perfect for Boxing Day and even for New Year's Eve. To be honest, any time of the year. That's it from me for today. I really appreciate you tuning in. If you like the content and you're new to the channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please also like, share and comment. I would love to hear from you. What would be your favourite combo? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear what cheese and what other bits and bobs you might put into your little Filo parcels. If you're looking for other Christmas recipe inspiration, don't forget to check out my Christmas playlist, which should be around here somewhere about now. Lots of different finger food, party food, canapes, leftover recipes, show-stopping dinner party dishes and desserts. So be sure to have a look at those. I'll put all of the details of today's Brie and cranberry Filo parcels and our Stilton pear and walnut Filo parcels down below in the description as always. And all that's left for me to say is until next time, it's cooking good.